Hi there, here's Boat's first Bluetooth calling smartwatch, Boat Primia. Now it comes with everyone's favorite AMOLED display along with always on mode. Then you get premium metal built with the leather strap, all the usual health monitoring features like the SpO2 sensor, the heart rate sensor, and it's priced at just $3,999. Now that sounds like a really amazing deal, huh? Okay, so my team is telling me that 3,999 was an introductory price. Currently this watch is priced at 4,499. That's 500 rupees more. But I still think for 500 rupees more, you get AMOLED display, you get a metal build, and you get all the features that I mentioned, which seems still like a really good deal. So let's find out. We'll do a quick unboxing, we'll check it out how it looks, how it performs, and we'll see if this watch is worth your money or not. Let's begin.
If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**, I got no love.
So here is the retail packaging of the Boat Primia with the image of the watch in the front. Then towards the back are all the key features with the contents of the box below. Then underneath are the manufacturing details and the MRP of 8,999. Don't worry, you can get this for literally half the price. Then inside is the watch itself, a Boat sticker, some paperwork that includes the user manual and 1-year warranty card, and pogo pin charging cable. Now this just aligns and attaches magnetically at the back of the watch. Fairly simple. Alright, so here is the watch itself. Feels premium the moment you set your hands on it. The frame is made of metal and this variant has the glossy black finish. Yes, it does attract fingerprints, but it also looks very classy. Then we get this amazing leather strap with a buckle design. The quality of the strap is really good, though I'm not sure if this is genuine leather, but yes, it's really well made. Then the back is made of plastic and houses the heart rate sensor and the SpO2 sensor in the center. Make sure you remove this plastic film to get the most accurate readings. Then there's also a speaker on the top and a microphone on the side, which will assist you for phone calls and voice assistant. Now these straps too can be replaced with other third-party bands, like if you want to replace it with a silicone band, just pull the spring mechanism to release. Overall, I'd say that the build quality and design of this watch is top-notch. It also comes with IP67 rating, which means it's protected from dust, mild splashes, rain, and even sweat. So it's safe to wear at the gym or for a run. However, I won't recommend you wear this while you swim. Alright, let's talk about the display. So it comes with a 1.39-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 454 by 454 pixels. The text is really crisp and the color reproduction is super vibrant, as you would expect from an AMOLED display. Blacks too are very deep and completely blend in with the bezels. That's the best part about AMOLED displays. Then you can change the watch faces by pressing and holding on the home page. There are a few watch faces that come pre-installed. Rest you can install 100 more from the companion app. Then the interface is also really smooth and extremely easy to use. Press the upper crown to access the menu. Here you can see all the health monitoring apps. There's alarm, there's stopwatch, and even voice assistant. Now when you press the voice assistant button on the watch, it will trigger the voice assistant on your phone. You can ask it a question and it will reply by voice on the watch itself. But remember, you'll need to have your phone connected to the watch for this to work. Then in the settings, you can also enable always on mode, where the display shows you the time even when the display is actually turned off. But remember, that will drain the battery a lot faster. Then press the lower crown to quickly access the fitness workouts. Check these out. There's running, there's walking, there's yoga, there's cycling. It comes with 11 workout modes, all the basic ones that should suffice for an average user. Then the watch also comes with Bluetooth calling feature, so you can make calls from the watch as well as answer incoming calls and talk directly from the watch itself. Just go to the call app, use the phone book or the dialer. We'll use the dialer and randomly dial a number. The voice you're hearing right now is actually from the speaker of the watch itself, which is quite clear and loud. Similarly, you also can answer calls. You will see the caller's name along with an option to answer or reject the call. And as I answer this call, I can talk directly from the watch itself. Now the call quality is actually very good indoors, but outdoors you might struggle hearing the other person. Overall, it's good for quick short calls and does the needful. Then we get the music app to control the music that's playing on your phone. There's an alarm app, there's a stopwatch app, you get the sleep app to track your sleep. There's also a heart rate sensor to keep a tab on your heart rate. We did check it and it provided pretty accurate readings. Then we also tested the SpO2 sensor and we got 98%. Now all these watches are not replacement for medical equipment. Though accurate, use them just for reference. Then you can also receive app notifications. You can see the app icon and read the message directly on the watch. However, there's no way to reply. Then boAt claims 7 days of battery life with typical use and 48 hours if you're going to use this watch for Bluetooth calling, which is the best you can expect in those conditions. And I always say, battery life completely depends upon your use, notifications, brightness levels, Bluetooth calling, all your workouts. There's so many things, so keep that in mind. Let's quickly check out the companion app. So right here on the home page, it'll show you your vitals dashboard, steps, heart rate, SpO2 levels, stress levels, sleep, BMI. In the second option, you can actually add buddies and compare your scores with them. Then in the third, you can actually see all the more details, heart rate, SpO2, calories burned. Coming back, then in the third option, in settings, you have my profile, then you have Primia features. In here, you can actually choose watch faces and check these out. You have so many watch faces to choose from and some really nice ones. Check this out. Let's click on this and let's click apply. And there you go, the watch face has been updated. So as I mentioned before, there's a huge collection of watch faces that you can download from here. Digital, analog, go crazy. There's also a background option where you can custom set an image from the phone's gallery as a watch face as well. Really cool. Coming back, there's sedentary reminders, there's alarm, there's nudges, there's schedule reminder, then notifications. You can turn on or off call and SMS alerts. You can also choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Then there's auto heart rate tracking, Bluetooth calling. Also, you can share your data with Google Fit, which I know a lot of people look forward to. Then there's settings. You can set your goals, watch settings, disconnect watch, all those basic settings. Overall, a really nice, clean, easy to use interface. Alright, so the boAt Primia smartwatch basically focuses on things that most of us actually need and remove the things that most of us probably never use. Like it's got only 11 sports modes. Now many smartwatches nowadays are available with 60, 100 workout modes. But do you actually need all those workouts? Like for me, it gives all the things that I need, the important workouts that actually I would need. Then it comes with a premium look, metal built, leather strap, Bluetooth calling, AMOLED display, all the health monitoring apps with a good and easy to use interface. For me, it's actually providing exactly what I need. No unnecessary apps, just the good stuff with a really good price. Even at $4,499, I think it's a really good buy. It's available in black and blue. I'll leave the links for both in the description. You should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.